Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jabra Elite 5 with your Android smartphone. Okay, so basically with any Android device like tablet or any phone. So first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and then simply remove them from this case. Now we have to click and hold these two buttons until indicators start blinking on the blue, just like that. After that, you have to reach these both buttons and put them close to your phone. Next, you have to go to the Bluetooth and click to pair new device on your Android device. Select the Jabra Elite 5 from the list. As you can see right now, we can click to accept the pairing request and we will be successfully connected, just like that. Next, we have to open the Play Store and get the Jabra application to unlock more features. It's the Jabra Sound Plus, that's the name of the application. Okay, right now we can open it. Click here to allow the Bluetooth connection by the application. Click continue. And as you can see, we have the notification that we are welcome and the Sound Plus application. Just click skip. And looks like we are already connected. So when you do this by using the standard Bluetooth settings like we did in the first steps of this video, we will be also connected in this application. So that's great. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.